Once you turn 18, in the eyes of the law, you are now an adult. Even though it might not feel like it, you still can't legally drink alcohol or purchase tobacco products, but you are legally an adult once you turn 18. Before you turn 18, you cannot own or use a firearm or any other weapon without written parental permission or parental supervision. At 18, you are able to buy a gun. But if you choose to possess a gun or have any contact with one, be aware of the responsibilities, safety rules, risks, and dangers associated with firearms. So in this segment, we will talk about firearms. First of all, it is illegal to sell a firearm to a minor. A minor cannot possess a firearm without written parental or guardian consent. A minor under 12 years old cannot possess a firearm unless accompanied by an adult. You should also be aware of the laws regarding ammunition. It is permissible to sell shotgun shells or .22 rifle ammo to a minor, but all other explosives and ammo cannot be sold or given to people under the age of 16 without written consent of a parent or guardian. There are some important laws regarding firearms that you should know about. The following are against the law. You cannot threaten to use a firearm on school grounds. You cannot draw or show a firearm in a rude or threatening manner in the presence of 2 or more people, with the exception of self-defense. You also cannot point or aim a firearm toward another person, even if it is not loaded. You cannot point a firearm toward a person and discharge the firearm, even if no one is injured. And you cannot mail or ship a loaded weapon. There are also a couple of laws that are felony charges. It is a felony for any person to discharge a firearm toward an occupied home, building, car, or trailer. It is also a felony to possess a bomb designed to propel shrapnel. Next, we are going to talk a little bit about concealed weapons. Idaho statute allows residents at least 18 years of age to carry a concealed firearm statewide without a permit, except in certain designated places, such as a courthouse, a juvenile detention center, or a jail facility, or a public or private school. You must be a resident of Idaho, and you must not otherwise be disqualified from having a permit. Some of the most common disqualifications are being charged with a felony and being convicted of a felony. It is against the law to carry a firearm when you are intoxicated or under the influence of drugs or alcohol. You may have a weapon in your home unless otherwise restricted. You can see Idaho Code 18-3302 or the Idaho website listed here for information on concealed weapons in Idaho, and maybe further answer your questions about who disqualifies from having a permit. Even though Idaho allows people to carry concealed weapons without a permit, some people still choose to apply for a permit. The concealed weapons permits are available from your county sheriff in the county where you live. You may be required to take a firearm safety class. It just depends on the county in which you live. The concealed weapons permit is valid for 5 years. Generally, a concealed weapons permit is not issued to individuals under 21, but individuals 18 to 21 may be issued a concealed carry permit if they meet all the other criteria. This is sort of a temporary permit in a way, as it is only good until you turn 21, and at 21 you must apply for a renewal. There are some important federal gun laws that you should be aware of. Federal gun laws prohibit ownership of shotguns with a barrel shorter than 18 inches, a rifle with a barrel shorter than 16 inches, silencers, machine guns, and destructive devices without proper registration through the ATF, which is the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. And their website is listed here if you would like more information on the things that are prohibited. If you find yourself with questions and possibly needing the assistance of an attorney, there are a couple of different options. First off is the lawyer referral service. It's operated through the Idaho State Bar. You go to their website, you fill out some information, put in what kind of an attorney you're looking for. You pay a $35 fee and you get a half-hour consultation with an attorney in that field. Next up is the Idaho Volunteer Lawyers Program. You can visit their website and get more information on the program. Lastly is Idaho Legal Aid Services. Also visit their website and get more information on their program.